லாஸ்ட் டயத்தை பார்த்துக்கிறேன். அது என்ன டைம் போட்டேனே தெரியல. Is it 5:30 or 5:45? 5:30.
If it's 5:30.
I think it's 5:30.
Go. I just let them and let them tell you.
இதுமா 5:45 தான்டா போட்டிருக்கேன்.
Ma, Appa will give me a shower.
No, 5:45 is fine. Come.
No.
அதுக்கு தான் நான் 5:45 போட்டிருக்கேன். You don't understand me. Criteria. Hi guys. Hi guys. We'll wait for 1 more minute, guys. I think some of them are still logging in. Okay. How are you guys? Did your schools open? Reopen?
Yeah, today was the first day.
Okay. How was it, Ma? Did they start?
I have pre-calc tomorrow. I have pre-calc B days, so I don't know yet.
Oh, B days means it's not every day?
No, it's every other day.
Oh, it's always like that?
Yeah, we only have 4 classes every day instead of 8.
So every other day na per week you'll have only 2 hours?
Or no, like it's one
It's
and a
like
half hour
today,
classes.
yeah. Every time we have the classes for like 1.5 hours to 2 hours.
So it's only 2 days a week, huh?
Yeah, it depends. Sometimes it's 3 days. It changes every week.
So you totally meet for only 3 hours a week, is it?
Technically.
Oh, that's so less. Interesting. 50, 50 minutes now, 150, 150. Oh, wow. Okay. So your school reopened?
Yeah, I had
Nice.
pre-calc today.
Oh, nice. Hi, Harshika. How are you, ma?
Hi, Miss Priya. I'm good. How are you?
Good, ma. You're all doing your preparation for SAT, ma, Harshika?
Yeah, I haven't had time to do anything else. I'm taking it in 10 days.
Oh, no problem. All the best, ma.
Thank you.
Yep, your mom. I was talking to your mom.
Hmm.
Yeah, good to know. Okay, let's go ahead, guys. I just want to continue the limits. There's one small part to be finished, and then we'll go to rational functions. Why did we do the limits? Because the rational functions that we were going to discuss, right? You'll really understand, okay? So you'll really understand why we did the limits before this. Oh, wow. Okay. I'm seeing it, ma. Oh, pre-assessment 1A, 1B, 1B.11. Now, what is that?
They didn't really specify a lot on the calendar. They just sent it like that.
Oh, they are starting with 7. Oh my goodness, 1B 19. What is that? I need to understand what is that. Okay, interesting. Unit 1 assessment. 2C. Wow, that's so fast. I'm looking at your calendar only.
Yeah.
Okay, by September 30. Oh, okay, so you have time. They're doing their first unit by September 21st. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, that's good to know. Okay, we do have some days. Okay. Advait, you're here, Advait. Okay, you also joined, ma. Anand, have you been in school?
Uh, did you ask if school is reopened?
Reopened, yeah.
Yeah.
You
Today
did.
was the first day.
Okay. Let's go ahead. Okay, I'll just go ahead with wherever we are. Okay. Okay. So I just wanted to complete the limit piece, last limit piece. Annam and Advait, I have made the older assignments during summer available to you as well. Okay, for you all to catch up or whatever, meaning however we want to go ahead, we can go ahead. If you need any inputs, let me know, Annam and Advait. This is all based out of Algebra 2 only. Make sense?
Do you like older pre-calculus stuff or older
Some,
algebra 2
some
stuff?
they overlap, ma. Honestly, they overlap. Okay,
Okay.
but I wanted to go over the older stuff as well. You see, meaning the rate of
Yeah.
change and all, it's a little new. You see what I mean? So you should be able to do it. You got it?
Okay.
Yeah.
It's in the algebra 2 classroom, right?
Yes, it is there.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yep.
Okay, so you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go ahead and do the limits. I posted the assignment, yeah. And I think I have a scheduled test as well. Can I quickly check the Google Classroom? You can take a test after today, I think. That's what I was planning. I remember scheduling it 2 weeks back itself in the last class. So after this class, so you can all take that test as well. Recalculate what is going on, guys. Yeah, I got it. Okay. Yes. Part 3 limits. Review functions and limits. Okay. Oh no, I just posted an assignment. It's not a test. Okay. It's a review of functions and limits. Okay. So whatever limits we studied, right? It's just a review of that. Okay. Now you know what I want to do. You all know horizontal asymptotes, right, guys?
Yes.
You all see the whiteboard, huh? What do you all see now? You see the whiteboard or the assignment? What do you all see?
See the whiteboard.
Whiteboard. Okay. So let's go ahead and try to understand a little bit of the horizontal asymptote. Okay. Let's see this. I really want you to be able to find. Let's see. Before that, I wanted to finish the limits. Okay. So see here. When it comes to horizontal asymptotes, right? Let's go ahead and do this first. So here in the graph 1, right, we are going to talk about horizontal asymptotes. Okay. Let's say this line is x equal to, this line is, what is this line equation? Anybody can tell me. Annam, do you want to tell what is this line equation?
X equals y equals -3.
Yeah. So here asymptote are nothing but the graph tries to go to that particular value when x is tending to negative infinity. What you are not introduced in your algebra 2, you are not introduced to the fact of limit extending to infinity. You are not, right? Meaning we can never touch infinity or minus infinity. So what we do, Annam, Advait, and who else came newly? Harshika. We did discuss a little bit of limits already. Okay, so this is the last part of limits. So since you can't reach minus infinity and infinity, right? Instead of saying in algebra 2, you were telling like this, right? As x tends to minus infinity, x tends to infinity. That's what you used to say, right? From now on, we are not going to say that. We are not going to say that. Instead, we are going to say limit x tending to minus infinity. So what happens when x tending to minus infinity? That's how you read this. The arrow, right? You don't say x equal to. X is tending to minus infinity. What happens to your y value? What happens to your graph? F of x will be equal to -2. Any questions, guys?
So limit is just the end behavior?
Yes, exactly. Limits is just the end behavior usually.
Okay.
But 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 limits can be used to discuss the end behavior. I can't say limits is the end behavior because you can as well find limit extending to 2, limit extending to 1, limit extending to -1. It is just that the x value is about to reach this value. That's all. You got it?
Yeah.
So in this case, right, here it's going to be a -3. Any questions? Any questions? Okay. Okay. Let's not worry about this. Okay. From the graph, you can say what happens. Let's do this. Limit x tending to minus infinity. F of x will tend to what? F of x will be equal to what? Who can? Subi, you want to say what it is? Is it too small, ma?
Limit x tending to infinity.
Yep.
Or
F of x will tend to
infinity.
f of x will tend to infinity. Good job, guys. Now limit x tending to minus infinity. F of x will go to what unknown?
Minus infinity.
Yes, good job. So now the third function shows an example where the function crosses the horizontal asymptote. We know that the horizontal asymptote is what? Y will be equal to 0 is your horizontal asymptote. Okay. But there are very special cases where the graph crosses the horizontal asymptote. Still, limit extending to infinity, f of x will tend to 0. Limit extending to minus infinity, f of x tends to what? F of x equals what? Anybody can shout out. If you are doubtful, then definitely shout out. That's a good one, right? To answer. Go ahead, guys.
Priyanti, so basically, like, limit f of x is like the horizontal asymptote.
Repeat, ma?
The is the limit equal to the horizontal asymptote then?
Correct. That's what it is. So f of x will be what? Here in the third graph. Limit extending to minus infinity. What happens to the graph?
It also goes to minus infinity.
Exactly. So look at the y-axis. What happens? It also goes
Okay.
to minus infinity. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is on horizontal asymptotes. Okay. Now I really want to discuss the same way for the vertical asymptotes. Let's see, guys. So vertical asymptotes. Let's see this one. How about this? There are left limits and right limits. Right, guys? There are left limits and right limits. Do you all remember that? Do you all remember the left limit and right limit?
Yes.
Okay. So now I really want you to do that a little bit. Hold on. Okay. Before I do that, right? Before we discuss the vertical asymptote, right? Let's do this. Let's see whether you're able to put it out into your calculator. You should be able to nicely put these into your calculator. Tell me the horizontal asymptotes. There are 3 questions. Okay. We'll do one, I feel. Okay, this is only on what is that? You are not able to see, right, guys? Some reason you're not able to see. Are you able to see now? Are you able to see 3 questions on the board? Okay, good. Okay, we'll go ahead and do 1 and 3. Okay, if you do 1, 2 should be easy. Let's not keep doing everything. 1 and 3. The intent is for you type this function in the calculator. You should be able to be very proficient in calculator. Okay, then I really want you to find the horizontal asymptote later. Okay, meaning I want you to write the limit x tending to minus infinity. F of x is equal to what? Limit x tending to plus infinity, f of x equal to what? By seeing the calculator, you can tell me what it is. Okay. Okay. Type this function in the calculator, go to graph, look at the graph, and you can tell me what happens to the horizontal asymptote. This is just to make sure you are very good with using your calculator to see the graph. Okay. Okay. What I don't understand is 1A.2, 1A. Oh, I see. I understood, ma. 1A is the unit 1, part A, ma, Ashrita. 1B is unit 1, part B.
Okay.
But I don't know what is first unit, part C. What is that first unit, part C? I don't even know what is that part C. Okay, let's see. Okay, you all know that you will be given MCQs and FRQs, right? As a part of your pre-calc exam, right? The AP College Board exam, right? You will be given MCQs and FRQs. Are you aware of that or no, guys?
You've
No.
it before, but other than that, no.
Yeah. I want you to know more. Let me quickly check and come back. Yeah, you do that. Let me quickly check and come back. I really want you to know. Remember, we did discuss that. We'll discuss sometime. So just type the first function, second function. So I just want you to tell me, you don't need to sit and type everything. Question number 1, A, B, just tell me this value. That's it. Okay. Question number 2, A and B, same, just those values, send it to me. Okay, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. See, totally you will have, I don't know where to put this. Yeah, so you're going to have 42 multiple choice questions and 4 free response questions, guys. Okay. The multiple choice question separately, there will be one section with calculator, there will be one section without calculator. Similarly, for the 4 free response questions as well, you will have a section with calculator and without calculator. Okay. Without calculator, you will have 29 multiple choice questions to solve. The other 13 multiple choice questions are with calculator. Okay. So basically, okay, let me write it down as well so you guys will know. Rather than just telling it, right, for the exam, right, what you're going to have MCQ section and FRQ section. Okay, this one will have A, B. Let's say it'll be split like this. Okay, here 29 MCQ questions will be there. Here I think it's 13, 42, right here, correct. Okay, total of 42 will be there. Total of 42 will be there. However, this is given 65 minutes. This is given 35 minutes. Okay, and after that, the FRQs are 2 FRQs, 2. 2 FRQs means free response questions. So that, I don't know the time. I really don't know. I can check. Let's see, guys. One second. Yeah, 35 minutes. You'll have 35 minutes. Okay. The first FRQ will be on function concepts. Maybe I should put this out in the Google Classroom, I think. The first FRQ, you'll clearly know what type of question from which topic it will come. So it's so easy to score a 5. Okay. The first free response question will be definitely from function concepts. Okay. Whatever we are learning now. You all got it, guys. This is 35 minutes. That's what I'm seeing. This is 35 minutes. Okay. Here, what are we studying? We are studying the function concepts, right? So one FRQ will be from there. Okay. MCQ should all be easy. Totally, there are 42. Yep, 42 questions. So you'll use calculator for one piece. You'll not use calculator for one piece. The total exam is 2 hours 55 minutes with 46 questions. Any questions on this? So
Miss Priya, for the
Yeah.
MCQ section, would we have the calculator for part A or part B?
The one that has maximum time will not have calculator. 65
Okay.
minutes will not have 29 questions should be done without calculator.
Okay.
Since the 13 question can be done with calculator. See, that is why you have to be proficient with calculator. So always use the same calculator. Whatever you have, use that. Okay. If you use new calculators there, you'll be into a soup. Okay, you would never want to use new calculators for the exam. Yeah, minus infinity, 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 infinity. Horizontal asymptote is 3. Yeah. If horizontal asymptote is 3, then how come it is going to infinity? I'm not getting. Did you use the calculator, guys? Did you use the calculator? Plot this function. Yes, how to use? Yes, Advait, I will. Second question. Infinity, now 1 by infinity is 0. So 9 minus 4. I'm getting 9 minus 4 is a 5. So 2 by 3. Okay, so confusing. Pranav, that's correct, Pranav. Subi, that's correct. Why 2, ma? Let me go ahead and do it on the board. I'll get my calculator quickly. Okay. I feel like I need little. Okay, let's see, guys. I'm going to do it for you. So you're wanting me to do T84 calculator. I'm going to do it and show you guys because I'm seeing a lot of different answers. I didn't expect, but let's see. I thought you'll be able to do. That's okay. Anyway. Yeah. Are you able to see my calculator? Okay. Ashrita, would you mind telling me the question, ma, please?
Okay.
Uh-huh.
2x squared plus 3x. You should put
Allama. Take the first one, ma. First question.
first question.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't have the first question in my calculator.
It was 3x minus
3x
4
minus.
over
Thank you.
x minus
Thank you. Thank you, Sri Charan. Really appreciate it. What is that? 3x?
minus 4 over x plus 1.
3x minus 4. Oh, this is the minus. Oh, okay. 3x minus 4 divide by, right?
Yes.
Please tell me, Sri Charan, what is that?
X plus 1.
1. So that should be good. Graph. Yep. So do you see, guys? So if it is not coming up, right? How do you adjust this? Please always remember. Advait, did you follow Advait? How we put it into the calculator? See, if
Yeah.
you set this up, it's going to be very easy. Okay. The graph, let's say I want to see more of the graph. What will I do? I have to see more of the graph. So let me lessen the, this is the interval, right? X interval, right? Can I put it out as, instead of, can I put it out as 4? Let me see. YSCL, meaning I want to see more of the graph, right? Let me increase that. 5. Let's see what happens. See? I want to do the reverse. See, like this, you figure out what you'll do, okay? I'm going to put it as 0.5. YSCL, I'm going to put it out as 0.25. I'm going to see what happens. See? So however you want the graph to appear, you'll have to do it. Here, when you look at it, right, I'm not able to see the numbers at all. So I prefer that one only. What number is going through, I really don't see. So this is good. Do you see? So it is here. Let me see. This is what I see. Do you see? Here what happens? The same case. This just extends, right? So, okay. I don't know that point. So let's see. I'm going to do the problem again here. 3x minus 4 by x plus 1. 3x minus 4 by x plus 1. Let me write it down. 3x minus 4 by x plus 1. I lost. Okay. 3x minus 4 by x plus 1. Guys, you all remember in algebra 2 we learned, right, how to find out horizontal asymptote? Power m is the power of numerator, n is the power of denominator. So there were three things, right? M greater than n. It very enormously uses algebra 2. M is equal to n, m less than n. M is greater than n means the numerator power is greater than the denominator power. No horizontal asymptote. Mostly it is a slant asymptote. Correct, guys? Okay. Now m is equal to n. In this case, you take the coefficient of leading terms. Right? M is less than n. Then in that case, y equal to 0 is your horizontal asymptote. Do you all remember this, guys? Yeah. So in this case, see, both the coefficients m and n are equal. Highest power of x is 1, highest power of x is 1. So take the leading coefficient. Shreya, are you here, Shreya? Shreya? Okay, I'll come back on that. Okay, 3 by 1. So do you see? So y equal to coefficient of leading terms, right? Y equal to 3. You see? That is the, so when it goes to, so how do you write it? Limit x tends to infinity, f of x goes to a 3. Limit x tends to minus infinity, f of x goes to a 3. Any questions, guys? Any questions? Okay, so how do you find the vertical asymptote, guys? Just meaning with this itself we can find out instead of going for another problem. How to find out the vertical asymptote? You go to your, this is your horizontal asymptote, right? How do you find your vertical asymptote? Go to your denominator. After all cancellations, you don't have anything to cancel. Whatever cancels are wholes, right? But when you go to your denominator to find out your vertical asymptote, what are the factors? X equal to minus 1. See, there is a vertical asymptote here. So x equal to minus 1, meaning this you why what is a vertical asymptote? You equate your denominator to 0, x plus 1 will be equal to 0, x equal to minus 1. At x equal to minus 1, there is a vertical asymptote. Any questions, guys? So the vertical line that you are able to draw is the vertical asymptote. Horizontal asymptote is the one that comes based out of these conditions. Okay, now I really want you to try this. Yama,
How did you get -1?
how did I get minus
Oh,
1?
because the leading coefficient is 1, and then you did x equals, and then you
Wait,
solved for,
for horizontal, for vertical asymptote you're asking, ma?
yeah.
For vertical asymptote, it is like you equate, let's say today, now for this one, x plus 1 is there, right? Equate that linear factor to 0.
Oh,
If you
okay,
do
I get
subtract 1, x equal to minus 1. So the vertical asymptote happens at x equal to minus 1. Make
it.
sense?
Okay,
Now
yes.
suppose if I have it like that, 3x plus 4 divide by x minus 1, x minus 2. So what happens? Equate each linear factor to 0. Here x equal to 1, x equal to 2. Then, there are two vertical asymptotes. You see what I mean? The graph might have been like this. We don't know. We have to do and see. There'll be
Okay.
two vertical asymptotes. You see what I mean?
So then shouldn't y the horizontal, or yeah, shouldn't the horizontal asymptote also be -3?
Shouldn't
The horizontal asymptote be -3?
in which case? In this case, you're asking?
Yeah.
Yeah, in this case, the numerator is less than the denominator.
Mm.
So your horizontal asymptote is y equal to 0. See?
I think I have to revisit this one.
I see.
Yeah.
Seema, no. See, horizontal asymptote means what? What the graph is tending to move to, right? See, this
Yeah.
graph When x goes to negative infinity, the graph is really trying to touch 0, right? That's what it is. This side as well, when x tending to infinity, the graph is trying to reach 0. When will this happen? When the power of the numerator is less than the power of the denominator. Power of the numerator here is 1. Power of the denominator, the highest power of the denominator is 2. So the power of the numerator is less than the power of the denominator. Does that make sense?
Yeah, but why is it x minus 1, x minus 2? Oh, it's a different graph.
Yeah, it is a different graph, Ma. This is
Okay,
the
okay.
second example.
Oh, okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay. So now you know about horizontal vertical asymptote. I'm here, but my laptop is not letting me unmute. Okay, Shreya, I'm listening. Thank you for the message. I don't know. I'm not able to unmute you as well. See? Interesting. So you're going to be muted and attend the entire. Oh my gosh, I can't imagine. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead, guys. Okay. I really want to complete that limits, right? Let's see. Yeah. Yeah. So how about this? This one is an interesting one. I want to show you what happens here. Oh, I'm not sharing. The third one is an interesting one. I don't know how you guys solved. Sricharan, how did you solve Sricharan?
The third one?
The third one?
Oh, I didn't get to it.
Oh, okay. So how will we solve? Let's discuss this, guys. See, horizontal asymptote is all about end behavior. Okay, x has to tend to minus infinity or x has to tend to plus infinity. One easy way I'll tell you. Okay, let's say this one itself. Okay, you're not going to be given the calculator. How do you sanity check? It's very easy. Okay, 3x minus 4. These are all shortcuts that you need to know. X plus 1. Now, guys, I cannot substitute infinity by infinity. Okay, I can never do that, right? But what I can do is, I know 1 by a very, 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 very big number is what? 1 by 1 million is what?
0.
0. I can do that. For me to be able to do that, what I'll do, I will divide by x, divide by x, divide by x, divide by x. Nothing is going to go wrong. Okay, this is how we learnt, okay, in India basically. This is a very simple trick that you can learn to cross check. Here, this becomes 3 minus 4 by x divided by 1 plus 1 by x. Any questions, guys? Now apply that x equal to infinity in the denominator. That works. If you apply x equal to infinity in the denominator, this becomes 0. This becomes 0. Do you see what happens? Does it make sense, guys? Subi, did it make sense or no?
Can you re-explain the second step one more time?
Okay, what I did was I just divided by x in the numerator and denominator. Okay, given a rational function, I just divided by x, the highest power of x, I just divided by that. When I divided by that, I ended up having, what is 3x by x is 3 minus 4 by x. And then in the denominator, I ended up having 1 plus 1 by x. Yeah?
Yeah.
After that, I put x is infinity. When I put x equal to infinity in the denominator, that part becomes 0.
Oh, okay.
Correct. So I end up having 3 by 1. Make sense?
And
Yeah.
3 by 1 is just to make sure you're on the right track.
Yeah, it is just a sanity check.
Okay.
Okay, it always works, guys. For the next one, I'll show you. Here, you see, here I can substitute infinity when infinity is in the denominator. That alone you need to remember. Okay, this one becomes 1 plus, see, e power of negative x means what? 1 by e power of x. Correct, guys? Okay, now what happens? I don't know. I have not checked it in the calculator at all. I'm just trying. Okay. Now, if I put infinity here, what happens? If I put infinity here, what is e power of infinity? Who can guess?
Like infinity.
Yeah, infinity. Because Euler number is 2.718, right? that number power infinity is going to be a very, 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 very big, big number. So what happens to this? 1 by that big number will be
0.
0. This entire term will become 0. Does that make sense? Now this becomes 9 minus 4. I don't know. Let's go ahead and check it out in the graph. I'm going to put it out in the graph and see. Okay, can I put it out in the graph? I'm going to share the screen. We will put it out together. Okay, I really don't know. I've not graphed it at all. 9 by 1 minus e power of x minus 4. I'm going to stop screen share. It's okay even if it takes time. I really want you guys to understand this and move on. 9 by 1 minus e power of minus x minus 4. I don't know. Where is the calculator stuff? Sometimes it becomes difficult to, yeah. Are you able to see the calculator, guys? See, Ashita, your answer was different, right, Ashita?
Yeah.
Let's see now. 1
I
minus.
didn't do this one. I didn't do number 3. I
Oh,
think
okay. Okay. 9 by 1 power of e power of minus x. Then what? I don't remember, guys. Minus 4 I had. Okay, these are simple things that can really help you later on. Let's see whether you're getting it or I'll help you more. Okay, minus 4, right? There is a minus 4. Okay, this is my f of x. I'm going to put it out in the calculator and show you how to. I'm getting it as 5, right? Let's see. So when I go to the, what is going on? When I go to the calculator, let me type it out. Okay, I'm going to clear that. So I'm going to have 9 divided by 1 minus e. Where is e? E power of x is here. 1 minus e power of x I can type. Then I have to come down, right? Yep. And then, you know what? I should not have done that. I don't know how to insert, guys. How to insert? Anybody can help me? Insert and yeah, I know. I see that here. Insert 1. That's horrible. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm going to do this. Okay, 9 divided by 1 minus e power of x, right? E power of x is here, guys. Ln. I didn't mean to type ln at all. Yes. Okay. 9 divided by 1 minus e power of x is second and this. So I'll type the x value. Then I'll close parenthesis. I'll close the other parenthesis and say a minus 4. Let me graph it. Yeah. Do you see, guys? Does it make sense? Five. I'm getting it as 5. Okay. Okay. Let's do this. Yeah. Here, there are 2.
Brandy, aren't you supposed to get 5?
Yeah, we'll get 5. One part. Okay, there are 2 parts, right? Meaning I did only one part. I'll show you.
Okay.
Yeah, we worked it out correctly. Limit extending to minus infinity, we need to work out. We just worked out one part. Okay, whenever I'll show you. X power of plus infinity. Okay, this is very interesting. Okay, things like this. Now, how to find out here when you think about this entire function, right? First, let me plug in the, maybe we should plug in the minus infinity. Okay, if I plug in the minus infinity, what happens to this function? I'm going to plug in the minus infinity first. Okay, now f of x will be 9 divided by 1 minus e power of minus, what is x? Minus infinity. Correct, guys? So that would, what would happen to that? 9 minus 1 minus e power of infinity. E is a number greater than 1. E is a number greater than 1. As a result, that number power infinity is going to be a very big number, correct? Does that make sense? Does that make sense? See, E power of infinity is going to be a very big number, correct? So, it will be 1 minus infinity. What can 1 minus infinity be? What is 1 minus infinity?
Negative infinity.
Yeah, it will be a negative infinity, correct? Let's see. Something feels wrong to me. Hold on. But you wanted to be infinity to go down, right? Okay, let's find out this one. F of x equal to 9 by 1 minus e power of minus infinity. That will be, oh, minus 4 is there. I cannot forget that. 1 by 1 by e power of infinity minus 4. So here, when you look at it, right? So when extending to plus infinity, this becomes a 0. This becomes a 0. So what happens? So 0. So 9 by 1 minus 4, that is equal to a 5. That doesn't make any sense. Let's see. And
Wait,
then,
Priyanti, why doesn't it make sense?
because when you say look at the graph, right? When I extend to plus infinity, I'm seeing it at somewhere on the minus end, right? You see what I mean? Y tends to a negative value, right?
Oh,
You see what I mean?
oh,
Actually see
yeah,
that-
yeah.
yeah. So let's see. Let's see. It's okay if we make a mistake in here. So let's see this one. So 1 minus e power of infinity. So this will be a negative infinity. And then this entire thing will become 0. So this will be a minus 4. We are getting it correctly, but we are getting the other way. Hold on, guys. Did I copy the question incorrectly? Or did I type it incorrectly? Let's see. We are getting it correct, but the other way we are getting. Let me see. But logically, if you work out, there should not be any problem, guys. Let me see. 9 divided by 1 minus e power of x. Okay, minus 4. And then I substituted my... You can as well look at it and let me know, guys. E power of infinity will be a very big number. E power of infinity will be a very big number. So 1 minus infinity will be minus infinity. So 9 minus 5. No, here, let me see, guys. Give me a minute. So this is going to be a graph.
Miss Priya, I don't think you put the negative x when you typed it in.
See, that's the deal. That's what it is reversing, I feel. Wow, great catch. Very nice. I didn't put negative x.
Miss Priya, if
Yeah, ma?
the power is negative in the
It
denominator,
creates a big change, ma. You see what happened?
but if the power is negative in the denominator, shouldn't it go to the numerator?
If the power is negative in the denominator, it will go to
Denominator.
the numerator, correct? But
So
see, okay, Annam, 9 by 1 minus e power of minus x means 1 by e power of x, right? That e power of minus x becomes 1 by e power of x, right?
1 by e power of
Power of
x.
x, right?
E. Why? Because it's
Because it's like
times,
that, right, ma? See here, no. X power of minus 1 is what? 1 by x, right?
yeah,
For you to make a negative exponent positive, what do? You push it down to the numerator, to the denominator, right? Suppose if you have 1 by x power of minus 1, that becomes x, right?
yeah.
That's
Oh,
the same way. You got it?
okay. Yeah.
Sahana, are you getting it, ma? So logically, if we do, some of us will be able to find what we are doing, okay? So here, e power of x will be what? Will be a very big number, right? So basically, this will become, yeah. So here, this will become e power of, I should have, see, 1 minute, wait, what and all I made mistakes, let me correct everything here. Okay, good job. So 1 minus e power of minus x is there, right? I will change it to 1 by e power of x. Now I can substitute x equal to x equal to minus infinity, I can substitute. Make sense, guys? 9 by, sorry guys, give me a minute. Let me just substitute f of x. So let me substitute 9 by 1 minus e power of minus infinity. What happens? 9 by 1 minus e power of infinity. Okay, the minus 4 I need to take an account of. Okay.
Yeah.
What happens here?
Rumba kara.
E power of infinity is infinity, right? So that's a negative value. E power of infinity is a very big number. So e power of infinity is a very big number. Now the denominator is a big number means entire thing will become 0. This entire denominator will become a very big value, right? Because you think about e power of infinity, it's going to be a huge value, right? If that is a huge value, 9 by a big number will become 0, 0 minus 4. So that will be a minus 4 there. Are we doing it right? Yes. Extending to minus infinity, y will tend to a minus 4. Any questions, guys? Does that make sense? Harshika, does that make sense?
Yeah.
So,
hard?
sorry.
Go ahead.
So what we did was we like used the shortcut to calculate the two horizontal asymptotes.
Yep. Instead of,
Okay.
see, one thing is you can use the calculator. These questions, they'll give you the calculator. But at the end, I want you to get equipped for AB Calc as well. In AB Calc, we discuss it this way. They do it this way. Okay. So basically, when you put minus infinity in here, what happens? That will become 9 by 1 minus e power of infinity. The denominator is going to be a very huge number. When the denominator becomes a huge number, your fraction becomes 0. So this entire thing becomes 0. 0 minus 4 will be a minus 4, which is what is happening here. Make sense?
Yeah. Yes.
The second one, when it gets to plus infinity, I have to substitute plus infinity here for x. So it will be a minus infinity here. So what happens? That becomes 1 by e power of infinity. Now e power of infinity will be a very big number, right? So this fraction will become 0. As a result, 9 by 1 minus 4 is 5. So in the right side, right, when x tends to minus infinity, y is equal to a 5. Guys, who did not understand? Who did not understand this? For the Navneet, did you get it? Shrikar, did you get it?
Yeah.
Anya, are you with me? Pranav?
Yeah.
Yeah, I get
Okay. Okay. Similarly, let me also show you one more meaning. The same second one. Second one is interesting. If you want to make it interesting, we can make it interesting. The second one was 2x square plus 3x minus 805. 2x square plus 3x. Let me discuss that as well. 2x square plus 3x minus 805. 2x square plus 3x minus, you can all think, okay, I'll type it in the calculator and find out. You can find out, okay? But please try to understand the concept is what I'm saying, rather than directly typing in the calculator, seeing the graph. 3x square minus 75x. 3x square minus 75x. 3x square minus 75x. What happens here? Plus 1007. What do you do with this? You want to try the same trick? It will work. Whatever be it, it will work. Okay. In this case, what I would want to do, I didn't type it into the calculator. Let's try our shortcut. Okay. In these cases, right, I have to bring that infinity to my denominator. That's my goal. Okay. I have to bring that infinity to my denominator. Let's try this. Okay. Here, if I want to do that, right, highest power of x is x square on both. Okay. So if it is 2 by 3 is your horizontal asymptote, right? I'm going to check it out. Okay, you know that already by rule. How come it goes to 2 by 3? Let's check it out, okay? Divide by x square in the numerator and the denominator. 2x square plus 3x minus 805. Divide by x square. Similarly, 3x square minus 75x plus 1007. Divide by x square. So what happens? The entire thing becomes 2 plus 3 by x plus 805 by x square. Divide by 3 minus 75 by x plus 1007 by x square. Any questions, guys? Now substitute x equal to infinity. This will go because that'll be 0. This will go. That'll be 0. This will be 0. This will be 0. What is left over is 2 by 3. Does it make sense? This is how you find. The shortcut will really work. Okay, you don't have to memorize that at all. If you think about dividing by the highest power of x, automatically several of the terms will become 0. Because the denominator tends to be a very big value, automatically one small 3 divided by that big value will tend to 0. Any questions for me?
So like on the
Anya?
graph, it'd be
Yeah.
tending towards 2 over
Let's
2.
you want to do it on the graph?
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to too. Okay, let's see. It's nice to figure it out like this and understand. 2x square. I didn't think of doing this at all in class though today. Let's see. 2, can I do this? I don't know. Yeah, I can do that. Good. 2x square plus 3x minus 805 divide by, what do I do? 3x square. Then what? Minus, but we did only one side. The other side we didn't do. 75x plus 1007. Graph it. What is this graph, guys? Oh, that's because we want a nicer graph, right? So let's take it as a challenge and we'll try this one. Wait. X min, let it be a minus 100. Okay, x max will be a plus 100. Y min, let it be a plus 100. This will be a minus 100. And then this one can be a 5. This one can be a 5. I really want bigger graph, right? What is that? That's so hard. Okay, let me put it out as minus. No. Let me put it out as a minus. Oh, this won't work. This is a minus 5. X max is a plus 5. Then XSCL is a 0.5. Why? You can as well tell me, guys. You can suggest something for me. I'm absolutely open to listen to you guys as well. Minus 5, 5, and then this can be a 0.5. Oh, what did I do? My screen
Miss
is...
Priya, if you do that, it's just a line.
No, ma, then we need to bring more into the picture. This is not a line at all. It will completely change, right?
Miss Priya, this is what mine looks like. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Oh, never mind.
It's just, or what was the mistake? Tell us, then we'll also know, right?
No, it's just that I entered the function wrong.
Oh, okay. Let me see. I need to adjust the window yet. Okay. So this is going to be, what sort of a function is this? This is going to be the horizontal asymptote is going to be what? 2 by 3. So basically it's, okay, let me do minus 1. 1.0025 maybe. Minus 1. 1.0025. Let's graph it and see. Okay, but I want more graph, right? Okay, so x is okay, but the y values aren't great. What sort of a graph is this? 1 second, guys. Are you able to see my sometimes Desmos is easy. Desmos, it's okay if we take time, but understand. Akshada, do you understand, ma, what we are doing?
Yeah, I get it.
Okay, let's try this. 2x square plus 3x minus 2x square f of x will be equal to, if I study, I would want to do it like this and try to learn. At home, please do that, guys, okay? 2x square plus 3x plus 3x minus 805, yeah. 805. I know this is taking time, but worth the deal. Divide by, what is that? 3x square minus 75x. I just want to see what type of a graph is this. Plus 1007. Okay. Oh no. Okay. You know what? I'm going to delete this, please. Otherwise, you can't see anything. Okay. So now. Yeah, it seems to be. Oh my God. Okay. So what happens in the graph? So basically, see, okay. It's more of a constant graph. That's why it is like that.
Miss Priya, I think it's because you put x equals 1 at the bottom.
Uh,
Or does that matter?
it won't matter because it's just a slider, right? Meaning, I don't want this, okay, basically. Let's see. We need to add slider. Why we need to add slider here? Yeah, you see, okay. Yeah, it looks more of a straight line. That is because, see, the numerator and the denominator are of the same, are very similar, right? Both are similar polynomials. That's the deal, I think. So here, see, if you look at it nicely, right? So basically, one is here. One is here, so it makes sense to have it that way. One is here, this is 2 by 3. So the graph tends to go to 2 by 3 on both sides. So we were correct. Any questions? Any questions?
Miss Priya, I graphed it on my Desmos and it doesn't look like that.
What did it look like for you?
There's like this curve in the middle.
Maybe I didn't zoom. Let's see. Show me. You want to share screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, share screen. I'll leave it. Go ahead. I feel like, oh, there's a small curve in the middle. Okay. You see, this is, yeah, I do see at 20, right? At 20, it is, yeah, it's cutting the y-axis and then it's going to go to 2 by 3. Oh, nice. Okay. One second, Ma. Let me see. You know why it came out like that? Let me try something. I know why it came. I think I found. Let's see. Let me show you as well. What was the difference now? Yeah, I got it, lady. I didn't do anything with the slider, but let me show you. Oh my gosh. Yep. Okay. Can I share my screen, guys? These are simple errors that you can make and then the graph screws up. But it's very similar graph though. Let's see. Can I share, Harshika, can I share my screen?
I stopped sharing.
Yeah. One second. Where is it? Chrome. No. Why I'm not able to see my screen? Yeah, I do. You see, guys, are you able to see the Desmos calculator now? Your graph is correct. You know what was the mistake? In Desmos, it is not respecting the capital X. Okay, capital X looks like it means something else. I don't want the slider and all. Okay. Make sense, guys? So that's why the horizontal asymptote is at 2 by 3. See? Here as well on the left side as well as the right side, the horizontal asymptote is 2 by 3. Any questions?
Why is there a curve in the middle? Oh,
No,
wait,
it's just a
because the
graph.
parent function is a quadratic function.
This is not a quadratic function, right?
I mean, yeah.
The numerator is a quadratic function, the denominator is a quadratic function. This is a rational function. When you have a polynomial in the numerator, when you have a polynomial in the
And then,
denominator,
okay.
it becomes a rational function. Okay, rational
Okay.
function graph can come any way. It has to be a function, that's all.
Okay.
Okay, now let's go ahead. Okay, now I really want to go back. We spent a lot of time on this. Okay. I really want to go back and finish up the limits, guys. Give a minute. Limits to infinity is what I need to do today. Okay. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, how about this, guys? I'll give you more problems like this. You don't have to use the shortcut, but without using the calculator, if you can tell me the answer, I would be the happiest. Let's see. How about this, ma? Take your time, but try this one. Oh, I didn't share my screen. Huh? Take your time. Let's work it out, okay? Slowly. How about this? Yeah. How about this? I just want to know what I want to know. I'll tell you. I just want to know the end behavior on both the sides. Just the end behavior on both the sides. Let me know what is the answer for that one.
So you want the
See, know the rules of horizontal asymptote, that is another way. Okay, you already memorized the rules in algebra 2, do it. Okay, if you have not memorized the rules, go with the shortcut, easier. You can use multiple ways, but don't please use the calculator on these. Okay, it's not worth it.
So you don't want us to use the calculator on the problem?
No, ma, I really don't want you to.
Okay.
But if you really want to check against it, do. Guys, did you get it? If you find it tough as well, please tell me, guys. I'll do it on the board. You're not expected to know this. If you don't know, sorry, just let me know. Thanks, ma. Guys, did you get it? Or if you're stuck, please let me know, guys. I would be happy to do it for you. Priya, are you able to do?
I think, but like I didn't get the answer yet.
What is it?
I think I can do it. Wait, can you hear me?
Mm.
Okay. I think I can do it, but I didn't get the answer yet.
I just want to know limit extending to minus infinity, limit x. I'm just trying to understand end behaviors, okay? This covers most of your 1.7, 1.8. Okay, first problem. I want to know what is f of x. So basically, if you put minus infinity instead of x, it becomes 3.5 divided by 1 plus e power of infinity plus 1. Your denominator becomes a very huge number. So what happens? If your denominator becomes a huge number, this entire thing becomes 0. I get this. Here, what to do? 3.5 by 1 plus e power of minus infinity plus 1. 3.5, the negative exponent, right, will become 1 by e power of infinity. If I do that, this entire thing becomes 0. If this entire thing becomes 0, 1 plus 0 is a 1. So 3.5 by 1 plus 1, which is 4.5. Does that make sense to all of you? Anya, are you able to understand that, ma?
Yeah.
How about Sahana, Advait, Ashruta?
Yeah.
Did you get it? Okay.
Yeah.
Ma, these are quite important for AB Calc as well. Now the second one, who can guess by seeing it? Who can guess by seeing it?
Is it minus 1/3?
Minus?
1/3 for both.
Good job. Minus 1 over 3 for both. Highest power of the numerator divided by the highest power of denominator. 13 by 39. Don't get deceived by the 10x in the beginning. Make sense, guys?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. How about this? Okay. See, sometimes now they give you the equation and ask you for the end behavior, right? They might ask you to fill in a table. I don't know, guys, see here. Here, I want you to become comfortable using the calculator for this as well. Okay, you're given this function. Okay, you're given this table. You're given this table. You have to write your y values. So what do? Meaning, the end result is you should be able to predict the end behavior. Okay, but you're asked to fill in this table. What would you do? Do you know? Guys, do you know how to use the calculator and do this? Yes, no, please tell me, guys.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So, meaning you have to type this equation into your calculator and the y equal to. After that, you can go to table set, TBLSET, and then make sure x is equal to ask, independent variable equal to ask. If you keep that setting, then you can type in x equal to 3, it will give you the y value. If you type in x equal to 3.9, it will give you the y value. Do you know how to do that? Anya, do you know, ma? If you don't know, please raise, guys. This is your class. Yes,
Miss Priya, can you please show us how to do this?
sure. Okay, one of you. Okay, I think I can myself remember the values. Let's see. The thing is, for the MCQs and FRQs where you use calculator, you should be very good with your calculator usage as well. You know what? My TA84 is missing. Where is the page? Oh, I don't have TA84 open. Great. Okay, I'm going to close this. Then let me open the tab. Yeah. No. I'm going to show, guys. Hold on. Share. Okay. Really don't get it. Okay, let's see. You're able to see my machine? Are you able to see the graph? Are you able to see the graph?
I can see the calculator.
Okay, good. Okay. Okay. So the question was what? I'm going to write down 5x squared minus 4x minus 1. 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 Divide by what now? I don't remember. 10x squared minus 30. 10x squared minus 38x minus 8. 10x squared 10x square minus 38x plus 8. Yeah, minus 8. Minus 8, I want minus 8. I want for the table values are 3, 3.9, 3.999, 3, 3.9, 3.999, 4.0001 or 4.1, 4.15. These are my x values. They are trying to ask for the end behavior. Okay, what do? You go to y equal to and then type out 5x square minus 4x. This is long. 5x square minus 5x square minus 4x minus 1. Then you have to divide by 10x square minus 38x. 10x square minus 38x. Where is it? 38x minus 8. Then graph it. You have this graph, right? Great. But then go to table set. See, this is what I said. Go to table set and then x values are given, right? So you set independent value. Don't put auto. Ask. It is going to ask you. Okay. So dependent value will be auto. Okay. Now, where do I go? Where do I go? I go to the table. Okay. See, now please give the x value 3. When I give 3, see, I'll start typing in. 3 is a minus 1. Then again it is asking for 3.9. 3. What did I do, guys? 1 second. 3.9. Enter. It'll give you the value. See, minus 14.5. Does that make sense? This is how you fill in. 3.999 I'm going to type. 3.999 enter. To give you the y value, minus 1500. So it's going down basically. And then I don't know about 4. Okay, I can type 4 and see, but I think that's the asymptote I feel. I don't know. Yeah, see, 4 is an error. 4 is the asymptote. Okay, I just want 4.001. 4.001. That will be one. See, again, it comes from positive 1500. Did you see it? So that is the asymptote. Makes sense? And then I go to 4.1. I type out x equal to 4.1. You get the y value, 15.5. This is how you fill in the tables. Right? And then you get 4.15. 4.15. Okay? You get 10.5. Okay. Now go to the graph. You don't need the graph at all. Now you know how, right? Let's see. Makes sense, guys? Because you know how to find the horizontal asymptote? The sign of the numerator and denominator, I'm sorry, the maximum power of the numerator and the denominator are one and the same. So what happens? What happens? So it's the coefficient of the highest power of x, highest power of x square in both. So 5 by 10. So y. Now let me do this. For the horizontal asymptote, you can write it out as y equal to 1 by 2 on both sides. Okay. Then for the vertical asymptote, if they ask you, right? So clearly the vertical asymptote is here. You see? So this particular what is this line they're asking? So that would be x equal to 4. You saw the error there, right? So that is the vertical asymptote. Any questions, guys? Any questions? So they can give you a table, they can give you an equation and ask for end behavior. Okay, now I'm going to stop screen share and I'm going to go back. Okay, I have the assignment already in your classroom, guys, on this one. Let me see what I did not cover. Yeah, fill in the table. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's try this one. Yeah, how about this? Do you know how to do this one? Let's try this one. The e power of x function is throwing you off is what I'm seeing. Let's try this one. Now, given a table, you should be able to fill it in by yourself. Please, I'll wait on this one for answers from you all. Okay. So I'm going to share my screen. Let's see. Can you do that? We'll do that and then we'll see. So I just want the limit. Okay, only the horizontal asymptote in this case. X tends to minus infinity, limit x tends to plus infinity, f of x equal to value. F of x equal to value. Would you be able to say that? So for today's class, right, what did we do? We did discuss limits, finding the horizontal vertical asymptotes. Okay, using graphing calculator, we did that using tables, using equations. Without using graphing calculator, we saw some tricky ways to find out the asymptotes, particularly the horizontal asymptotes.
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
are we allowed to use a calculator on this problem?
Don't use ma, meaning without it, are you able to do, you check.
Okay.
Because that's what is going to help you knock the file. You see
But
what I mean? You should be able to sanity check.
but can you use it to like check to see if we
Yeah,
got
yeah. Don't abuse it, that's all. Yeah. Definitely use it to check. I have no problem. But at the same time, be aware that you don't know or you know. If you did not know, then please ask. And it's okay not to know. Annam, did you get it, Annam? Do you follow what we are doing?
Yeah.
Okay, good. How about you, Advait?
Yeah, I get.
And Sahana, you've been watching the video, right, ma? You're good with this, right?
What did you say?
You're good with this, right? You've been watching video or somehow you're catching up, right, already?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Let me know, guys. If you have trouble, we'll do it together. You don't have to suffer. Yeah, left limit and right limit you have to know, guys. Left limit is a little just below that value. Right limit is a little above that value. Just for all of you who were not here last week, right? Limit extending to 2 plus is your right limit. Limit extending to 2 minus is your left limit of 2. Meaning, what does this mean? When you substitute x equal to 2 plus means it can be 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. Meaning I'm trying to make my x value equal to 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. Here I'm trying to make my x value equal to 1.999, 1.998. So this is called the left limit. This is called the right limit. Okay, these are all extras, guys. Okay, basically AP pre-calc, they just say limit and then move on. Okay, they don't delve deep into these limits. Okay, but it's good to know. It's very easy to go to AB calc if you know the concept of limits properly. Got it, guys. I am waiting for your answers. If you did not know, please say you do not know. I will work it out on the board. Yes, ma'am. 1 second. What question did I give? 6 plus 2. Where is that question? I don't remember where I got it from. Okay, I got it. Oh, wow, nice. That's nice, Navneet. Shrikar, I'm waiting for your answer. Annam? Annam, correct, ma. So proud that you got it. Subi, correct, ma. Shrikar, correct. Pranav, I'm waiting for your answer. Does it mean that you understood Pranav? Ashruta, correct, ma. Advait, yes, definitely I'll do. Sri Charan, correct. Shriya, correct. Shriya, you're not confident, looks like. That question mark tells me that you're not confident. Akshada, correct. So when you think about it, right? Seema, see,
Wait,
by,
Miss
yeah.
Priya, was mine correct?
Sorry, Anya, if I have not seen or called out, I'll check. I didn't mean to leave you. Yes, Anya, correct. Yeah.
Thank you.
So now you're going to substitute minus infinity. If you substitute minus infinity here, what happens? This entire thing becomes e power of infinity. When it becomes e power of infinity, the denominator becomes a big number. So this, when the denominator is big, think about 1 by 10 million. 1 by 10 million is such a small number, right? So you can just forget this. It tends to 2. Similarly, in the same question, when I substitute, Advait, are you following Advait?
Yes.
When I substitute x equal to infinity, that becomes 6 by 1 plus e power of minus infinity, because there's a minus in there, plus 2. However, this one, what happens? E power of minus infinity is what? 1 by e power of infinity, right? But there's a numerator of 6. Okay. Now, 1 by e power of infinity means e power of infinity is a big number. So that fraction becomes 0. That gets you to 6 by 1 plus 2 will be equal to 8. Make sense, guys? So this is a tricky, nicer way to, you can always substitute the denominator as infinity, then you can be at peace that what you're doing is right. So that becomes 0, that fraction. Any questions? So for this week's homework, right, I'll try to push in both, guys, meaning limits, the last part, and the first part of rational function, meaning in our AP pre-calc curriculum, we have completed that 1.6, right? I'll try to push in 1.7 A and B. If you know, you do. Otherwise, if you don't know, mark and come, we'll discuss 1.7. Okay, it's all about limits, rational functions. Okay, same thing we are discussing here, right? So let me try to push both and let me know. If you find it difficult, you bring it back to class. Okay, but please finish the limits work. Okay, any questions for me? Okay, I'll stop here, guys. 1 minute before we log off, right? Shriya, what is the time you're wanting?
Like 6:30.
6:30. Would 6:30 to 7:45 work, guys, for you all?
No, not for me.
Okay. Okay. If we finish, please, guys, just another 1 or 2 minutes, okay? 6:30 you want. Okay, 6:15 to 7:30, would it work, Anna?
So I have practice at 8.
8. So
So
when do you start from home? Is it hard?
usually we start at 45.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Is it okay to end at 7:30?
It's just because I know that the class goes on for a little bit more.
More, okay. So you're a little afraid,
Yeah.
huh? Okay, okay.
Yeah.
I think this time is good for me and her because I have training after this sometimes as well.
So you have something after that?
Yeah, it's like a training that sometimes I have to go to on Wednesday, sometimes I go to on Friday.
I'd rather
Oh,
have
wow.
it be
Annam,
later.
Advait himself, he's okay. You also want it,
Yeah,
okay.
can we have it like
I
a
want
six?
it like later in the day because I come home from school like
Yeah.
5 minutes
I
before
came
class
home at like
starts.
at 5:20 and then I had class like 20 minutes after.
Oh,
Yeah,
so
I
you
got
have
home
Actually,
at like
to,
5:40 today.
Priyanti, I actually have to leave now because
okay.
practice starts a bit
Okay,
earlier
you go
today.
ahead,
So is
ma'am.
it
Go
okay
ahead,
if I
ma'am.
log on?
Go ahead, go
Okay,
ahead.
thank you.
Okay, so Ashrita, you're all saying you want a little later,
Yes, because like by the time I get home, it's like 5:15, 5:20-ish. So like
5:45 is a little draggy. 6 is okay.
yeah, that's fine.
6 to 7
Yeah.
to 7:15, huh? Yeah, 6 to 7:15 is okay for all of you?
Yes.
Ma, please raise if it is not okay. Harshika, is it okay for you?
Yeah, I'm
Because the
free
last
all
time I deprived you and I felt so guilty. That is why I wanted to ask you. You weren't there to answer, or I don't know what happened. You never answered. So I left you. So this
Um,
time,
no, Wednesday's the only day I'm free, so I'm okay with any time Wednesday.
so sweet of you. Okay. So you all wanted at 6, huh? 6 to 7:50, 6 to 7:15 is okay for all of you. Wait. Shreya is here, huh? 6 to 7:15 is not okay for you, right?
My class is like 6 or 5:45 to 6:30.
5 to 6:30. Okay, now Advai, 5 to 6:30, Amma.
No, like I have a class before this. That's
Yeah, I know. It is 5 to 6:30, yeah.
5:45.
5:45 to?
5:45 to 6:30.
Oh my God. Okay. Okay, guys, let me put it out to your moms and dads. This is so hard to coordinate. Let me try, Shreya. I will try my best, okay?
Miss
Okay, but
Priya.
everybody is wanting from 6. Okay, I'll ask. Advait, does it work for you? I'll listen to you, Masubi. Advait, does
6
it
to
work?
7:15 is fine for me.
Fine for you, but we need to check with Anam, right?
It might be. I would have to check my schedule, and then Anam, I don't think it would be fine, because her practice starts like 30 minutes after class ends, and then she has to get to FC Dallas facilities, and then she has to warm up and all that stuff. So
Okay, so 7:15 is okay.
I don't know. I don't think it's okay, but you would just have to check with her.
I will check. Okay, and you're going to see your schedule and tell me, Advait.
Yes.
Okay, I want to satisfy at least most of you guys. It's not like I will not as well. I am free on Wednesdays. Okay, let me be very honest with you. Okay, only your class. So yeah, so I'm okay. I'll put it out to your parents. Okay. Any
Okay.
questions? I don't want everybody to be unhappy. Okay, I can't make all of you happy, but I cannot make everybody unhappy as well. So I'll try to make most of you happy. Okay, sorry about it, but I'll do my best. Okay, I'll put it out 6 to 7:15. I'll target ma overall. Okay, okay, guys. Bye, bye, guys. Sorry to keep.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Thank
Bye.
you, Miss
Thank you.
Priya.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Maybe you
Bye.
wanted something. What did you want?
Oh, never mind. It was just about the timings. I'm okay now.
You're okay with 6 to 7:15?
Yeah, I'm okay with any time. After like 5:30 because like I come to school like 20 minutes before class starts.
So, see, that's why they're all saying they want it a little later. Okay, I'll respect it. Okay.
But I'm okay with any time after that because I'm free on Wednesdays.
Sure, ma. And you're learning something, ma? You're learning
Yeah,
good
I'm
stuff
learning.
here? Okay, good.
Initially, I found limits like a little confusing before, but like now I got it after like doing the homework.
Yeah, do homework, ma. That's quite required, I feel. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. This is a layer foundation for your AB Calc. Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye. Thank you.